God, you just lose so much altitude making a turn downwind.
Speed. Cruise.
Speed mode to penetrate. Look at that.
Cruise.
Ooh, look at that ups. Felt like there was a little bit of something, but
Thermal. Cruise.
yeah, that might have been a net gain right there. There's a little bit more. We're slowly climbing. Yay, a thermal. Yay, I'm downwind. Trying to make it home.
Speed.
And look at the Deviant go, man. That thing's just slicing through the wind. It actually gives me a little bit more confidence to fly downwind further. Here we go, working another one.
Thermal.
Work the front of the field, work it to the back of the field, rinse, repeat. Yeah, look at that, we're getting some climb now. Alright.
Cruise.
Work that one pretty good. Speed mode to come back home and try again. It's like you just turned the motor on and you're scooting along, looking for signs of the next one.
Cruise.
There it is. Trying. This one's hard. Losing it.
Speed. Cruise.
There's a lot of wind now. A lot of wind.
Speed. Cruise.
I'm just doing S-turns. I'm planning on landing it. I'll take it. 4 minutes. That was a struggle though, good gosh. With no ballast, 4 minutes of fighting it. There's a lot of wind right now. It's